Don't even think about booking a trip to the UK without completing your ETA. Yes, there's a new process if you want to travel to the United Kingdom, and I am going to walk you through it from A to Z. This mandate went into effect on January 8th, 2025, and you will not be allowed to board your plane without this approval. At the end, I will share a list of all of the countries affected, but for now, know that the United States is. The first thing you should do is put in your search bar UK ETA. ETA stands for Electronic Travel Authorization, not to be confused with a visa. This document just gives you permission to enter the country. If you already have a visa to enter the UK, then you do not need to fill out the ETA. You can also go to www.gov.uk and read more about the process. The fee is currently just under 13 US dollars. The processing time is anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. And the stipulation is it may take even longer if you are required to submit more information and or possibly be requested to schedule an interview. So again, do not book your flight until you are approved. You have the choice of submitting your application via their website or their app. I decided to use the app to get approval, and I'm going to walk you through those steps right now. You will need a passport, your credit card, access to your email, and be able to scan a picture of your face in order to get started. Here is what the app looks like. You can see it's new, so the ratings are quite low. There are some glitches in the system. The chip reader didn't work for me either, but I was able to complete the process. You can read more about what the people are saying about the app, along with tips as to how to navigate. I highly recommend you doing this now, even if you don't have current plans to travel. You don't know how backed up they're going to get. You have no idea how long your process is going to take. And it's better to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. What's the saying? It's better to have and not need than to need and not have. And there are many stories of people who had no idea about this new process and were denied boarding at the gate. And we simply do not want that to be you. So here I am downloading the UK ETA app on my phone, and this is the process. It shows you how to apply for an ETA. You have to confirm your identity, answer some questions, pay for your application. It tells you you will need the passport, access to your email, a credit card, and then it's time to get started. You can also use the app to apply for yourself or someone who is there with you, because you will have to take a picture. Your ETA will last for 2 years or until your passport expires, whichever is sooner. Here are the privacy terms that you must agree to before you can proceed. Go ahead, hit that heart to say thank you for doing the research so you don't have to, and subscribe to Black Travel and Culture. They're going to send you a security code to the email address that you are going to use to receive your decision. They also want to know if you have a newer passport that has the biometric chip in it. I do, even though it didn't work. But they want you to take a photo first of your passport that you will use to travel. Your passport is going to be linked to the ETA. You do not need any additional paperwork. It shows you step by step how to take the photos in order to get it right. There I am with the application being submitted. And then it's going to tell you what happens next. They're going to send an email when they made a decision. They tell you to allow 3 to 5 business days, with the disclaimer that it may take longer if there are any issues in confirming your identity. And voila, I received my confirmation number and within 15 minutes received approval. They also have warned that eventually this will be required even if you have a connecting flight in the UK. So get it now. Also, get one of our other resource guides. We do the research so you don't have to. We have our Mexican residency relocation resource guide, as well as our resource guide for the top 8 countries that Black Americans are moving to. You can get them both now at a huge discount. We're calling it our Black History Month sale, both for under $20. Go to the link in bio for more information or to purchase. The sale will end at the end of Black History Month, so get it now. And we will do a part 2 about all of the countries that are affected by this new requirement to get an ETA. But for now, just know that if you're a United States citizen, it is required for you to get approved. You can read more about what you can do with the ETA, what you can't do with the ETA here. Go ahead, take a screenshot, share this with a friend. Don't forget to hit that heart button and subscribe to Black Traveling Culture.